Okay, so guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a very good airplane. So first you one corner down and get the other one and try and get them in line with each other like that. And then next thing you need to do is get the corner here and fold it inwards in a straight line, and do that on the other side as well. Then do it one last time, so folding it over. Do it on the other side. Then next thing you need to do is fold it out like that, and then move it along like that all the way to the end, and do it on the other side. And let's make it a bit more straight. Okay, and straighten it out a bit like that, and then open it up, open the wings up, then got your aeroplane. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more of these videos. Thank you. It'd really help me if you liked and subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.